All right, just dropped off baby girl to school. We're like the first ones here today. Already got the Starbucks, got my green tea latte. Now I gotta head over to look at my nephew's car. It was a Corolla. We did a coil last time about 1.5 years ago. Now another coil might be going out is what I'm guessing. All right, just got to my mom's where I left some of my tools from work. Gotta pick up a few sockets. This is key right here, 14mm deep socket and a magnet, because I don't have a spark plug socket for a 14. Anyway, let's go. Uh-oh. Gotta get some gas.
Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, ST. What's happening, West Coast? I love Cali. Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, SD.
All right, you already know, had to make a quick stop, working on that retirement plan. All right, there we go, full tank. And according to my calculations, I'm getting about 23.99 miles to the gallon on this 2015 RAV4. Who else does that? Calculate their gas mileage. I know, pretty weird, but hey, I'm always curious. All right, just pulled up to my nephew's place. There's the Corolla right there. My cousin just left, so I had to ring the doorbell, but ain't nobody coming out yet. Ooh, look, they got a tomato tree going, or tomato bush. Ain't no tomatoes right now. For y'all don't know, this is calamansi. Makes good calamansi juice. Man, I think everybody asleep. I'll be chilling in this lounge real quick. Pretty tight, they got a lounge. Just need the keys to the Corolla. So we got a 2008 Toyota. Oh, got the ice cream truck over there. Get some ice cream. Anyway, we got a 2008 Corolla. My nephew said it's possibly misfiring. So let's fire it up and see. Oh yeah, you can hear it already. Sounding like a Subaru. First things first, let's see if we can pull some codes. Well, of course we're gonna pull some codes, but let's see what the codes are. Finna bust out my handy dandy scanner. Innova Toyota Corolla OPD. Plug it in. Turn the ignition on. Turn the scanner on. Get my thumb out the way. Cylinder 3 misfire. All right, so let's swap the coils and see what happens. Speaking of the Subaru, one just passed by. It sounded like it had a misfire. Okay, my apologies to all the homies that have Subarus and all you other folks that have Subarus. Little inside joke. You know how they rumble. I call it a misfire. So this is number 3 cylinder. 1, 2, 3. Let's swap 3 and 4, and let's see if the misfire goes to 4. If it does, we know it's the coil. I should have unplugged it first. Yeah, on there. It's on there. There we go. Shoot, messing with me. Swappy, swappy. Swappy, swappy. All right, let us see. Well, first got to clear the code, the old code. Successful. Oh wow, he has exactly 130,000 miles on this thing. If my camera would focus. Toyota. Yep, you can totally hear it misfire. So let's just wait until the check engine light starts blinking. Should be on shortly because it's an evident misfire. Ooh, little, feels like I'm in a massage chair. Okay, that was an easy diagnosis, and I love how the coils are accessible. On some cars, you got to take out all the covers. Actually, I think this did have a cover, but someone decided not to put it back. And it wasn't me, by the way. That was easy. So let's see if we have any parts issues, because lately, in some of the cars I've worked on, parts have been on back order, especially on the Hondas. Something going on with manufacturer, probably COVID related, I don't know. Baby girl gets out of school early today, so I'm gonna have to pick up the part later on. Oh, it's the infamous Division Street hill drop. Some cars in front of us right now, so I don't know. Mash it anyway, let's go! Woo! Yeah, that was weak. Beautiful weather here in San Diego, here in Coronado at the moment. Baby girl just got out of school. All right, we finally left the park. Told baby girl I was hungry, so we're gonna hit up Oi real quick. Oi, 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 oi.
Are they open?
They should be. Where? The bobblehead? Oh man, my strategy backfired. It's good. Gotta pick up some rice from Costco.
Push me.
Isn't that what I'm doing? I'm pushing you?
No, I said go.
Thank you for shopping at Costco, girl. Say cheese. Just kidding, it's a video. All right, we picked up the wifey. Gotta make one more stop. Gotta pick up those coils. We gotta pick up those coils. We gotta pick up the ignition coils from Toyota. Ruining the video, girl. Here we are at Toyota. What'd you say, girl? Toyota? Toyota, we're buying a new car. A Toyota. You're here, let's go. Toyota. All right, girl, have a good day. See you later. Ooh, Ferrari. You already know, gotta get the coffee real quick. All right, we good. Let's head over to the nephew's house. Slap them coils on. Darlitos. Filipino food right there. Y'all feel like having some. As my former co-workers would say, the donut shop. Gulong. Yantera. That means tires, folks. All right, we're back. I'm gonna replace 3 coils. This one was the bad one from number 3. This one's good. As you can see, it's the cleanest out of all of them because we changed it like about 1.5 years ago. First things first, let's make sure we have the right coil. This is the part number, but part number means nothing to us because we're not familiar with part numbers. So, but we are familiar with what the coil should look like. All right. Looks good to me. Let's slap them on. Let's roll. Damn, nothing like fresh new coil packs. Well, I don't have my cordless ratchet, but it's cool. I'll just use my wrench that I have. So like I said, this is next day. Picked up the part yesterday, but I just didn't have time to come back here. No biggie. All right, so we're gonna take all this off. We know this is the bad one. I'll put it aside. We'll keep these 2 for diagnosing purposes in the future, but I'm probably never ever gonna touch a Corolla again. You know, out of all the cars I worked on, this is my first time touching a Corolla in a long time. Yep, that's what it is. But then never say never in the automotive world. Jeez, gotta get a screwdriver. Oh, not changing that one. Not bad. Oh, that was the good one. I just noticed on this Toyota. Number 1, number 3 connector is black. Number 2 and number 4 connector is gray. That's a trip. I wonder why they did that. Y'all know? Let me know. Comment on the video. Thanks, bro. All right, here we go. Easy peasy. Oh yeah, perfect fit. Nothing like OEM parts, except for the cost, that is. But nothing wrong with aftermarket parts, but when they fail, they fail. Okay, sure you torque it down. Sure it's all nice and snug, tight. I had to put this connector this close. Man, terrible. I should just use my my ratchet and socket, but I'm too lazy to walk back to the car. So boom, boom, and boom. We are good to go. We just got to see if the codes are cleared and then let the car idle. Nope, I guess I didn't clear it, so let's clear it now. Successful. That's what we like. Let's let the car idle. Oh yeah, night and day. A lot smoother. There we go. This is probably the easiest coil packs I ever replaced. Like ever. That's how it should be. So like I was saying, we're gonna keep these two for diagnosing purposes. Hopefully they don't crap out anytime soon. This one's already crapped out, so we kind of separated from the bunch. And there you have it. So I just gotta talk to my nephew, make sure they don't have a smog coming up or whatever, because he still needs his monitors to run. For the most part, you could get the monitors to run in one day, but you'd have to drive it on the highway. And each car has an enabled criteria. Go on the internet, it'll explain all that. But yeah, here it is, 2008 Toyota Corolla LE. Coil pack replacement due to a misfire on number 3 cylinder. Swapped over the coil, then it jumped to number 4, so we know it's the coil. And he has about 130,000 miles. All right, how was school today? How's that little bite mark that Mamba did? That little boy. Maybe he didn't want to be called cute, huh? Look at that thick pepperoni they got going on. What's up with that? They accidentally did what? Oh, they didn't cut it, huh? 11 to walk, Mamba? Hey, Mamba, want some water? No? Guess not. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.